Question 7, what are the solutions of this quadratic equation? We could do quadratic formula to solve this problem, but an easier way would be the square root method because there is no b term. Remember, the b term comes from the fact that if it's in standard form, which is this ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the b term is the coefficient of that x term. And notice we have no just regular x term, only an x squared term. So we can solve this using the square root method. So I'm going to rewrite it so I have more space over here. 9x squared plus 10 equals 5. I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. 10 minus 10 gives us, of course, 0. 5 minus 10 gives us negative 5. We're next going to divide both sides by 9. Whoa. 9 divided by 9 is 1. We don't need to write the 1, so it's 1x squared equals negative 5 over 9. And then finally, we're going to take the square root of both sides. Since I've got a fraction, I'm going to take the square root of the numerator and the denominator separately. So we get x equals, and it's going to be a plus or minus answer, because when you take the square root of both sides, you get two answers. The square root of negative 5 over 3, because the square root of 9 is 3. One additional note, remember that the definition of an imaginary number, it's equal to the square root of negative 1. So we can rewrite the square root of negative 5 as the square root of negative 1 multiplied by the square root of 5, all over 3. Except we can replace that square root of negative 1 with I. So we get I multiplied by radical 5 over 3. And really, to put this in standard form, we want to write the square root of 5 first, and then the I, and then we will see that answer. Instead of a plus or minus symbol, they just wrote out negative radical 5i over 3 and positive radical 5i over 3, but they're the same